Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious crab rasam. First, ensure you have fresh crab, tamarind, and a selection of aromatic spices ready. Begin by soaking a small lime-sized ball of tamarind in about 1 cup of warm water. This helps extract its tangy pulp, which is crucial for the rasam's unique flavor. While that soaks, prepare your fresh spice blend. Now take your peppercorns, cumin seeds, and garlic cloves and grind them into a coarse paste. This fresh paste is key to the rasam's vibrant taste. In a separate pot, heat a little oil and sauté finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and fresh curry leaves until they are soft and fragrant. Then, add your freshly ground spice paste to this mixture, cooking it gently for a few minutes until the raw smell dissipates. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading, especially while cooking, the new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic. It's waterproof and has a glare-free display, perfect for following recipes or enjoying a good book. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Next, strain the tamarind pulp into the pot, discarding any solids. Add your cleaned crab pieces and enough water to achieve your desired consistency. Bring the rasam to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows the crab to cook through and the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve your aromatic crab rasam hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.